Most guys don't realize their wavy hair isn't the problem. It's their habits. You look at someone with that natural flow, that effortless, just rolled out of bed texture, and think, damn, I wish I had that. But the truth? Almost every guy can have that kind of hair, if you just understand how to unlock it. 1. Understand your wave pattern. First, you gotta know what type of waves you have. There are 3. 2A, light, barely there waves, mostly straight. 2B, natural S shape with volume. 2C, thick, defined, slightly frizzy. Once you know this, you'll stop copying routines that don't even match your texture. Most guys are using products made for curly or straight hair. That's why it never looks right. 2. Common mistakes that you make. Overwashing. Shampooing every day kills your natural oils. The same oils that define your waves. Wavy hair needs moisture, not constant cleaning. Wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week max. Towel drying. Stop rubbing your hair with a towel. It ruins your texture. Use a microfiber towel, or even an old t-shirt. Pat dry instead of rubbing. Wrong water temperature. Hot showers feel good, but they destroy your hair's moisture barrier. Rinse with cool or lukewarm water to lock in shine and definition. 3rd, ideal cleanse and care routine. Pre-wash oiling. Optional but powerful. Use lightweight oils like argan or jojoba 30 minutes before washing. This protects from dryness and adds natural shine. Smartly use sulfate-free shampoos. They clean without stripping oils. Focus only on the scalp, not the full length of hair. Conditioner equals your best friend. Apply conditioner mid-length to ends, not on roots. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. 4. Styling. The secret to that effortless look after showering. Don't dry your hair completely. Keep it slightly damp. That's when your wave pattern is the most alive. Now apply leave-in conditioner, sea salt spray, or curl cream for definition. Light mousse or hair gel for hold. Scrunch your hair upward with your hands. Then let it air dry naturally or use a diffuser on low heat. When it's fully dry, lock it with a few drops of argan oil. This gives that glossy, natural finish. 5. Maintenance and long-term health. If you want the main character type of waves, healthy scalp equals priority. Massage your scalp for 5 minutes daily. It increases blood flow, strengthens follicles, and boosts growth. Avoid products with alcohol or parabens. They dehydrate your hair. Once every 10 days, use a deep conditioning mask. And every 2 months, trim the split ends. Trust me, it makes your waves fall better. Bonus, the aesthetic styling tips. Sleep on a silk pillowcase. It reduces frizz overnight. Don't overcomb. Let your waves form naturally. Minimal product equals better movement. Get a haircut that complements your texture. Think mid-fade with flowy top, not overlayered cuts. Your hair is a reflection of how you treat yourself. Wavy hair isn't about perfection. It's about balance. When you stop forcing it to look like someone else's, that's when it starts looking its best. Because real confidence, it's when your hair moves naturally, and so do you. Take care of your waves, they'll take care of your look. Subscribe for more real self-care and grooming science.